How to add two-factor authentication on Discord with Google Authenticator. This tutorial shows you how to enable 2FA and secure your Discord account using Google Authenticator on your Android device. First, make sure you have Google Authenticator installed on your device. If you don't have it, open the Google Play Store. Search for Google Authenticator and tap Install. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the Discord application on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, your user settings menu will appear. Now, scroll down and look for My Account under User Settings. Tap on My Account to access your account settings. Moving forward, scroll down until you see two-factor authentication. It will show as disabled if you haven't set it up yet. Tap on Enable two-factor off or set up 2FA. Afterwards, Discord will ask you to enter your password for verification. Enter your Discord password and tap Continue. Discord will now display a QR code and a setup key on your screen. Look below the QR code for the text, key, or setup code. Long press on the key and tap Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your device. Note that when you open Google Authenticator, you might see a black screen in this recording for privacy and security reasons. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of Google Authenticator. You'll see two options: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Tap on Enter a setup key. Now you'll see two text fields, account name and your key. In the account name field, type Discord or your Discord username. Tap on the Your Key field and paste the code you copied from Discord. Long press and tap Paste. Make sure the time-based option is selected below. Tap Add to save Discord to your Google Authenticator. You'll now see Discord appear in Google Authenticator with a 6-digit code. The code refreshes every 30 seconds automatically. Go back to Discord and look for the text field asking for the authentication code. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Discord. Make sure to enter it before it expires and changes. Tap Next or Activate to continue. Discord will now show you backup codes. These are extremely important for account recovery if you lose access to Google Authenticator. Tap Download or take a screenshot of these backup codes. Store them in a safe place, like a password manager or secure notes app. Once you've saved your backup codes, tap I've saved my codes or Done. Your two-factor authentication is now successfully enabled. From now on, whenever you log into Discord, you'll need to enter your password and the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your Discord account. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you add 2FA on Discord with Google Authenticator, give it a like, subscribe for more Discord security tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.